Step into wellness, the power of walking in nature.
Feeling stressed or burned out? Imagine taking a deep breath of fresh air as sunlight filters through the trees. Walking in nature does more than move your body. Science shows it strengthens your mind, reduces anxiety, and boosts happiness. Nature isn't just scenery, it's therapy.
A simple 30-minute walk outdoors can lower blood pressure, improve heart health, and spark mental clarity. As your feet hit the trail, your body releases endorphins, lifting your mood and fueling your drive. Walking doesn't just burn calories, it ignites a healthier, happier you. Nature walks calm a cluttered mind. They've been proven to reduce stress hormones, restore focus, and inspire creativity. Surrounded by beauty, your worries fade, replaced by renewed energy and a sense of calm. Each step connects you more deeply to the world and to yourself. Your journey to better health starts with one step. Lace up, head outdoors, and embrace the healing power of nature. Whether it's a park, a forest, or your neighborhood path, walking transforms your body and mind. Start small or go big, just step into wellness because your health is worth it.